Hi guys, welcome to the fourth part of our course, and this part is going to be very fantastic because in this part we are going to talk about some of the things that I haven't discussed about Canva. So before watching this video, I recommend you to watch the second, third and first part of this course, thumbnail making with Canva. Tap the link is given below and go ahead, watch all the parts if you haven't, and then come to this video. And if you already have watched all the parts, then welcome to this next video. And in this video we are going to talk about some of the things that we haven't discussed about Canva. So now let's begin this video. So as here we are on our computer desktop, and the first thing I'm going to do is that open up canva.com, and this is the website of Canva. And this video is going to be the last video of our course, like I already told you that. So why it is going to be the last? Because Canva is not that much hard. So we completed this course in only 4 videos: part 1, part 2 and part 3, and this final video part 4. So some of you will think that this course was very short. So yeah, it is short. I don't want to make this course more longer, more bigger and bigger, because Canva is not hard. So why I will make the course big? So I don't want to waste your I don't want to waste your time. So that is why I completed this Canva course very quickly. And also there is one thing, that Canva is not hard. So you can learn Canva in 1 or 2 days. And if you haven't watched the 4th part, 5th part or 3rd part, then go ahead, watch those part and then come to this last video of our course. So in this video we will talk about the things that I haven't talked about in our previous videos. So let's first add a little bit text: cold, smooth and tasty. We have this. So first thing is that we have already talked about position. With this you can put your text anywhere on your page: left, right, bottom, center, middle, anywhere. And then we have ungroup. So from here you can ungroup 2 things. Like here we have 2 things. If you group this together, and then if you want to ungroup it, then you can do it with the help of ungroup button. So let me group it again. And then we have this 3 dots. So I have already talked about these 2 things in our previous video, but we haven't talked about this 3 dot, what I mean this more function. So we have this first thing we have is this underline. So from here you can underline the text. Right now you can see if you click on this, then this underline will come on your text. And then we have uppercase button. So from here you can convert any text to capital letter. Like here we have this a small letter. This text is written with a small letter. So if you tap on this, then it will change the letter into uppercase. And then we have transparency. We have already discussed about this thing: opacity or transparency. You can adjust this according to your thumbnail. And then we have lock button. So from here you can lock the text or photo, anything you have. Now what it does, that you can't apply any kind of effect or anything, or you can't do it anything with this text if you have locked it. And to unlock it, just tap on this button. So this is the use of lock and unlock. And you can also lock this page, this whole page, okay, this whole blank page. If you tap on this unlock page and lock page, this button, and if you unlock the page, then you can't do anything with this page. And this is the use of lock and unlock. Every element that you have in this page will be locked automatically if you lock the whole page, because the element is inside this page. So if you lock this whole page, also all the element will be locked automatically. And from here you can make new page, and from here you can delete the page. And this is the feature to add more page, okay. And you can also add you can duplicate the page. If you have this, then you can make the same page. Here we have this first page, and then you have here the second page. So with this button you can duplicate the page, and from this plus button you can make a new blank page. Okay, so this is the use of these two buttons. And then here if I select the text, then we have a bunch of features. Sorry. So let's talk about this one, spacing. So from here you can increase the space between two letters. Like here, if I increase this, then space between two letter will increase. If I decrease it, then it will decrease the space between two letters. And then we have line spacing. So from here, if you have 2 or 3 lines, then you can decrease or increase the space between those lines, like this. You can see that this space between this line is increasing. If I increase this, you can see. And then we have this feature, this list. So from here you can add bullet, not that bullet that comes out of the gun. Bullet means this point. Okay, this is called bullet in Canva. So don't think about that bullet that comes out of the gun. And if you type it again, then it will make this number 1, number 2. If you want to make any kind of list, then you can use this bullet feature. Then we have alignment. So from here you can align your text in the middle, or on this side, or on this side, like this. So this is the use of this alignment feature. Okay, you can see that. Okay, then we have if I select this, then we have italics. From here you can make your text italic, and from here you can make the text bold. And then we have this color option. So from here you can change the color of the text. Okay, and then from here you can increase the size of the text, and you can also decrease the size with this button. And then you can change the font of the text. We have many font that you can use, and Arial, Para. There are many kind of font available. And that was it. I think every feature is complete. At the bottom we have this thing. You can zoom the whole page if you use this. So it depends on you. You can adjust this according to your user experience. And then we have page 1, page 2. You can view this in grid. Page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. You can make as many pages as you want. If you tap on this 3-dot button, from here you can duplicate the page, delete the page, or hide the page, or make a note. So I'm gonna just delete all this page one by one. Okay, let me delete it. Here we go. And then we have this first page. So if I tap on it again, it will come out from that mode. Then we have this one. So using this you can make the whole page, I mean make this fit in whole screen. Right now you can see I have this thing in whole screen. So if you have any kind of presentation, then you can do it. And then here we also have this. So Q&A with Canva Live. You can make a live session, start a new session. If I tap on this, then you can see you have the live started. Copy invitation link. You can send this link to anyone, and they will be able to see this presentation that you have created with Canva. From here you can end the live session or hide it. And then here you have your code, and anyone can access your live stream or join your live stream with the help of this code. So let me end this one right now. So Canva is totally amazing, guys. And then we also have open presenter view. So from here we have audience window and the full screen mode. Here we go. We have this presenter view. if you want to show your presentation to anyone, then you can use this presenter view, presenter window. Got it. Then we have this. You can see this is very useful. Let me cut this, and if I tap into again, then we have bunch of feature, timer, blur, quiet, bunch of feature. Then I can get out of this mode. So that was the Canva, and I hope that you have enjoyed this course, and this was the last video of this course. And that's it, guys. Tell me in the comment on which software or video editing software you want the next course. Next course will come very soon on another fantastic topic, and make sure you subscribe to get more videos like this one. Let me instead of this, let me type subscribe, so you guys will subscribe to this channel. Subscribe now. Okay, do it. Subscribe now. Mr. Marker B, Mr. what is happening? Mr. Marker B. Here we go. Subscribe to Mr. Marker B. I'm gonna make this into full screen, so you will subscribe. Okay, let me make this into full. What is happening? Let's tap here and let's get out of this mode. Subscribe to Mr. Marker B. Bye-bye. See you again. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this fourth part of our course. That's it. I hope that you have enjoyed this course, and see you soon. Make sure to tap on the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. So that's it. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Peace.